Hey guys, welcome back. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I am GB. GB is me. This is my channel. Not Chanel. Channel. Yeah, I'm kind of annoying. So today's vlog is kind of like a what I eat in a day, what I do in a day video. I hope you guys enjoy, but I don't know if you will because my life is kind of like pretty boring. But please do enjoy. Okay, love ya. Bye. I'm gonna stop talking. I just woke up and the first thing I do every day when I wake up is drink water because I pee in the morning and it's like really yellow. So I guess that means I'm dehydrated, so I go get water. Me imitating SpongeBob's 3 hours later because I can't find it. So you ever have like a really strong craving for like greasy fried goodness? Yeah, I had that. So I decided to go to McDonald's and I got in my car just to get some of the greasy fried goodness. And you guys are not a true foodie unless you eat fries in the car. You just have to eat fries in the car. Okay, that almost sounds like a song title. Like, it's not even a choice. I don't even know how you can resist the temptation of not eating fries in the car. Especially McDonald's because it gets soggy so quickly and gets stale by the time you get home. I got the 2 for $6 special, the Filet-O-Fish and the chicken nuggets, and I got a side of small fries. And my go-to sauce is honey mustard. It's the best sauce ever for chicken nuggets, in my opinion. But sometimes I get spicy buffalo too. 잘 먹겠습니다. Yummy. So good. But you know what? One thing I don't get? They give you 2 sauces for 10-piece chicken nuggets. But for 20-piece, you only get 3 sauces. That doesn't make sense. Like, the math it's not right. Leave it in the comments if you agree with me. Filet-O-Fish. So soft. Water. I wanted to get Oreo McFlurry, but I have to stop myself. Why does unhealthy food have to taste so good? Why? So I don't know if you guys can hear, but it rained like so much today, and it's like the first time in a while it rained that much. There's like a lake near my house. It's really loud. I'm listening to this song. You're just my happening. Ooh. Next. My online homework for English right now, and it's very stressful. But the day it's not gonna go on. I'm a senior in high school, and there's like I think like 4 months left of school until I graduate. I can't believe that. It's just happening really fast. I'm excited though, and kind of nervous at the same time. So I'm gonna go alone. I'm trying to do homework, but I can't focus. Blue light protection. Guys, you need these glasses for your health and safety. Okay, and then I got really hungry because I was so exhausted from doing my homework, pretending to do my homework. Yeah, it was really draining me, so I decided I wanted a beef brisket slash bok choy stir fry. So obviously I grilled the brisket, and then now I'm grilling the bok choy. And yeah, it's just like a donburi I'm gonna put on top of rice and eat it. And then I'm putting black pepper to season, and then I put some mirin. It's kind of like a sweet rice wine thing. Yeah, and then I put some minced garlic for some earthiness. I don't know. And then some oyster sauce. You gotta have that. It's like a staple in Asian cooking. And then some soy sauce. Yes, we all love soy sauce. And then I'm just mixing it all together so that it coats evenly to be all flavorful and yummy and good. And then I just put the beef brisket and then just mixed it all together. And it's basically done. It's super simple. One of my favorite things to enjoy because it's so simple and so delicious. And you get like nutrients in it because of the bok choy. Did I tell you I love bok choy? Because I really love bok choy and beef biscuit. So yeah, I just put on top of rice like that with the sauce, and it was so delicious. You guys have to make it, okay? Okay. Ta-da! It's like the best of both worlds. I love bok choy and I love brisket, and when you put it together, it's like, I don't know, my favorite. It's kind of like a beef and broccoli, bro, I guess. Like, I love bok choy. Bok choy, meat, and rice. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. So good. So simple, but so good. Why? Hey guys, I've been craving pineapple for the longest time, but I haven't been getting around to cutting it, and it's almost gonna rot soon, so I have to cut it today. So I'm gonna show you how I cut my pineapple. You cut the ends off. Cut the ends off. And pineapple has like a lot of like waste, so you always wanna have that bag in front of you. Just sit. And I'm watching Demon Slayer on Netflix. It's an anime. I'm on episode 11. Just sit. Now we're gonna cut it in half again. And again. Take the top off because the core is really chewy and like not that edible, I guess. And taste test. What? 진짜 달아. It's so sweet. Wow. And again, throw the waste away. Wow, it's so sweet, guys. Fresh Hawaiian pineapple. It's so juicy too. Dude, look at all the waste. This is what you're paying most of your money for, the waste. And then like a third of it is the meat.